I'm joining in with creative thinking. I've been saving with them for already almost a year and a half, and I've been watching their channel probably another year or two before that. I really enjoy this channel. She's such a sweet creator and she does such a wonderful job. No pressure. So I try to put something up almost every week, but I've been getting behind lately by doing that. So I'm not going to be saving a lot of money in the future because I'm going to stop working my job. And that's about $2,000 less a month I'm going to have to live on. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be saving once I stop working. So I've been throwing a lot of extra money at my savings accounts to get as much money saved as I can for this year. And also getting in the habit of living on a lot less money. So you will notice I have put a lot of money in this year already, more than last year by this time. But that's why. You always have to think about it. Someday you're not going to be able to work. I'm going to try to save something all the time. We'll see how that works. I really would appreciate it if I could get you all to please, if you've watched this video, to try to watch at least 3 minutes or more of each video of mine. And also, give me a thumbs up if you would. I would appreciate it. If you're not already following, could you please think about it? We put something up different every day, so you're always going to find something different to watch. I just really need as much support as I can. I have been monetized on my channel, but my amount of money I'm getting is very, very, very tiny. And for me to survive, I need to start getting this channel moving a lot bigger. I probably need to get at least 10 to 15,000 more followers to make enough money to pay my utilities. That is my goal with my YouTube channel, to pay and get enough money from it to pay my utilities. With all of your help, I know it's possible. Please think about joining the channel. Please try to watch a few videos every week. And try to watch at least 3 minutes. And give me a thumbs up if you could. I really would appreciate it. Now, let's see how much Grandma saved. I have just the month of May to still put money in savings, and I'm trying to throw as much money as I can at these 2 savings accounts. Because once I stop working, I will not have any extra money. I will probably have to really cut down on everything I'm doing. So this week I put $664.20. I had the extra money, so I threw it as much as I could at it. So now I have $2,164.23 for my dental work. We'll have to wait and see what I can get still saved after this month of May. I will try to put at least $5 or $10 every month in the savings accounts. Maybe I can put more. We'll have to wait and see. I was hoping when I would get my YouTube channel making some money. I did get it monetized, so I did get working at that, and I am getting a small, little, tiny amount of money. But it's very, very small, and at the rate I'm growing, I'm not going to say it couldn't get bigger, but I need to at least get, to make any real money, I would think I would probably have to pick up another 10 to 15,000 followers, and that isn't to make any real money. That's just to make enough where maybe I could cover my expenses and what I'm spending. So because of that, I really don't see any chance of spending any new money on my YouTube channel, except maybe, I don't know, maybe we can do $20 a month. Because I am going to have to buy something. I do know that. You can't get away without spending anything. I'm going to do more posts that cost me $0. So you're going to see a lot more of those type of things. Plus I have a lot of inventory. And I'll be reusing and repurposing that. So that's my goal starting in June. Whatever I buy or do will have to be in May. And if I don't have the materials or the things to join in on a challenge, I won't be able to join in. I have to really bring myself in and realize I can't spend the money I've been spending the last 7 or 8 years.
But I am going to still make sure I put something in savings every month, and we'll just see how hard it's going to be. Now, this was how much I did for my dental, and I am going to still continue saving for my vacation. We already have money saved for our Yellowstone vacation, and I already have my money all saved up for my Disney cruise with the grandkids. So that one is saved already, the money's there. What I don't have money for, my granddaughter wanted to go take a cruise to Hawaii. I don't have that saved, so we'll have to wait and see how I do on that and how long it's going to take. But I'll have to take an inventory of what I actually have. But at least I have enough to do a tooth. Dental work, I spent over $5,000 last year on dental work, and I really didn't get that much done, and that's why I decided just to do one tooth a year. I can't do any more than that. It would probably cost me $20,000-$30,000, and that is not an exaggeration on the dental work. And it's just so expensive. So I have $2,000 saved for this year, and we'll see what I can get done. Probably will just be one tooth getting fixed. Well, let's go see what else Grandma saved for. Now, I have been saving extra on this because I knew it was happening, that I wouldn't be working much longer. So I put another $140 in this week also. So I put a lot of money in savings between the two accounts. And now I'm at $980.02. Well, that isn't much, but I don't know. Maybe that's halfway to my next, my cruise. So we'll have to wait and see how much more I can save. It probably isn't going to be much. It's nowhere near going to be $140. I will try to do $10 a week. That'd be $40 a month. Let's see if I can do it. But I have to really start thinking, what can I really afford and what I can't. And we do want to keep working on saving something every month, because it's very important to always be saving and paying ourselves something and look forward to something in our lives. So this is what I'm going to do, try to do the best I can. We'll see how much I can get saved. Once I actually stop working, I'll know how hard it is going to be to live on this small budget. Taking a $2,000 hit in a budget is a lot when you don't make a lot of money. So we'll just hope for the best and hope we do okay. If it gets too hard, I may have to go back to work or figure out some other way to make money. I would love it if anyone that's watching this video really considers thinking of joining the channel and help me build up my viewership and my watch time. The more I can get that built up, the more I don't have to worry about money. Because like I said, I did get monetized, but it's a very, very, very small amount. We'll see how I can compound it every month and do better. If I'm not working, maybe I can work more on my channel. I already put in about 4 to 5 hours a day on my channel already. And honestly, even with me not working, I don't know if I could do more than 1 more hour. You know, there is a limit to what I can do at my age. But we will see. But if you're watching this for the first time and you don't already belong to the channel, please join. Please watch the videos from the beginning to the end. They really help me on my watch time, and they'll help me build up my viewership also, I hope, and also get a little more money put in my account. So I hate to bother people about this, so please try. My average viewer is between 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes per video. That's what it says my viewers are. Now, I realize I have a lot that do watch my videos from the beginning to the end, but I also realize I have a lot of people that don't watch but probably 20 or 30 seconds of my videos, and that brings my viewing down. If you could just please try to watch 2 minutes, each of you, that would really, really help. Thank you so much, my awesome friends, and all of you that do give me full support. I really, really do appreciate it. I know I have quite a few of you out there. And I know I have a lot of great followers that have been following me for years, and I really appreciate that. And I don't expect everyone to watch every one of my videos. I put a lot of content up. And so don't worry about that either. But when you do come on to a video, please try to watch at least 3 minutes to all of it. Now, not you don't have to watch every second, but just try to watch a couple, 2 or 3 minutes, please. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for all your loyal support you've been giving me for so long. I really appreciate it.